I want to quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's statement that never stop. Whatever heights you are achieving, you should never stop, and you should always try to achieve greater and greater heights, so that you will be always successful and achieve greater heights in your life.
Who have nurtured you, who have taught you well to be good in life, to be successful in life. I doubt that I'd say you must be successful because you owe it to the world to be successful. You do not know the people who are behind you, who are pushing you every day to be successful, to be a better version of yourself. So I'll keep it short. I just said 3 words. You owe it to the world to be a good person. You owe it to the world to be better than your ancestors. You owe it to the world to be the best version of yourself. Because in the end, the world which has nurtured you, it's your responsibility.
Second thing is respect. Parents, teachers, KP, Gurujana, हमको respect दिया because एबे तब मैंने बुझी मेरी बनी latter stage रे बुझी हो कि से blessings टा बहुत काम दिए तेणु एमती कहिକି thank you.
बर्तमान समस्त ऑक्सीजन सिलिंडर आगु आपण माने गोटे धरिक बुलिला बळे तेणुक सरकार एक पेड़ माँ के नाम के बड़ी तेणुक आपण मैंने टिके फॉरेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट प्रति टिके ध्यान दिंतु जोटा कि आपण फ्यूचर पे आपण किसी करके जाते आमर आगत फ्यूचर आमर आंसेस्टर माने आम किसी छाड़ी जाते बोली आम बर्तमान बंचीचे तेणुक आम आम फ्यूचर भी किसी करके जावा तेणुक टिके एनवायरनमेंट लर्निंग उपर पिला दिया निष्ठार सहित काम कर